Thank you, Ashok ji. I will try to mix between Hindi and English. मैं ख्याल से वो ठीक होएगा? Or everybody would prefer only in English, so I'm okay either way. I've been grateful to Observer Research Foundation and particularly to Ashok, whom I've known for many years, and also to the dignitaries who have come and who have spoken since morning. My colleague was here this morning, Mahendra Singh. Then Dr. Rajeshwar Rao, who's Joint Secretary to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. My colleague, who's been a great helping hand to me, Hikeli Zimomi, she's Secretary in Uttar Pradesh Health Ministry. One person, I know him extremely well, I think he's still here. मेरे बच्चे जो आज बड़े हो गए हैं, उनके हाथों से पहले हैं डॉक्टर सुनील मेहरा. I think, where are you, Sunil? Oh yeah, there he is. Professor Vinod K. Paul, Professor Shali Avasthi ji, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप आए यहाँ पर. डॉक्टर NP जानी जी, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात से आए हैं, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. साथ ही साथ my good friend, I think he was trying to take a flight, so he may have left, Dr. Rajendra P. Gupta, who is still there. Thank you very much. Dr. Prakin from WHO. Then Dr. Preeti Reddy, I'm very grateful to you, ma'am, for coming here. Dr. Moore from BMGF, India. So it's very enlightening to hear you. Then a person who we all respect a lot, and one of the finest doctors that we have seen. One of them, Dr. Naresh Trihanji, grateful to him. And सभी भाइयों और बहनों, and I think यहाँ पे डॉक्टर की संख्या ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. और कहावत है कि जब पेशेंट ICU में हो, तो सबसे अच्छा ये होता है कि देश के जो जाने माने डॉक्टर्स हैं, उनको बुला लो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए, और वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल जाए ऑब्जर्वर रिसर्च फाउंडेशन के माध्यम से. तो इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है, क्योंकि उत्तर प्रदेश की कुछ स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं अभी ICU में हैं. And I think that's a great opportunity that I took upon when Ashok spoke to me that we are going to organize this kind of a conclave, and from there we will be inviting the best minds in India. And I immediately grabbed that opportunity because it's always a learning curve. As far as the ownership is concerned, Dr. Trihan Saab ne bola, Dr. Saab, I'm 110% committed to it. And I can only assure you कि उत्तर प्रदेश की स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं ICU से जरूर निकलेंगी. And I will not really get into the statistics because statistics have been spoken a lot. और डॉक्टर राजेंद्र जी ने जब बोला था और उन्होंने एक शब्द का इस्तेमाल किया था, किसी ने हाथ नहीं खड़ा किया था, तो मैंने संकोच किया था कि हाथ मैं नहीं खड़ा करूंगा. But I should have raised my hand because आज से 10 साल पूर्व, and the reason I'm not giving statistics because this is an example. आज से 10 साल पूर्व मैं चुनावी सभा में था, और यहाँ पे एक लोकसभा है जिसको कहते हैं हमीरपुर. वहां से मेरे मामा सुनील शास्त्री जी was contesting the election. And वहां पर मैं in the course of the campaigning, किसी ने कहा कि गांव बहुत दूर है, वहां पे कोई जाता नहीं है, क्या चलेंगे? being a youngster or being younger person at that time, I said नहीं मैं चलूंगा वहां पर. And off-road, non-motorable road, खेतों के बीच में पगडंडी के ऊपर, I think I must have traveled about 20 kilometers. और जब मैं वहां पे पहुंचा, जैसी मैं उतरा, तो गांव की कुछ महिलाएं थीं, they caught hold of my hand, और मुझे खींचते हुए एक कोने में ले जाने लगे. तो I thought that today is my bad day, आज पिटने के लिए आया हूं मैं यहाँ पर. बट वो मुझे खींचती ले गई, एंड I didn't have many, मतलब सिक्योरिटी तो ऐसे भी कम रखता हूं, उस समय तो एकदम ही नहीं थी. तो I was dragged to one corner, जहां पर एक हट जैसा बना था, और एक हट बना था, एक ढह चुका था. एंड यू कुड मेक आउट कि यहाँ पे किसी ने आग लगाई है. काउडंग के ऊपर बना था, गोबर के लेप से बना था उसके ऊपर, और एक छोटा सा दरवाजा था. तो उस औरत ने, जिसने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा था और छोड़ा नहीं था, रोती जा रही थी, उसने मुझे कहा कि आप जानते हैं ये क्या है? एंड मुझे कोई नहीं पता था क्या चीज है, तो थोड़ा सा चुप रहा. तो उन्होंने कहा कि आज से 3 दिन पहले मेरी छोटी सी बच्ची को इसके अंदर डाल के उसकी चीखें चलती रही, दरवाजा गांव के लोगों ने खोलने नहीं दिया, और जब वो मर गई, उसकी चीखें खत्म हो गई, तो इस पे आग लगा दी, क्योंकि उसका इलाज नहीं हो सकता था. 20-25 किलोमीटर लोग लेके नहीं जा सकते थे. उत्तर प्रदेश की स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं यहां तक की गिर गई थी, क्योंकि दूसरी तरफ एनएचआरएम जैसे घोटाले हो रहे थे. स्वास्थ्य का मतलब उत्तर प्रदेश में यह हो गया था कि तुम बीमार हो जाओ, तुम गरीब हो, तुम बीमार हो जाओ, मेरा स्वास्थ्य अच्छा हो जाए, क्योंकि मैंने पैसा कमाना है. That's the reality of Uttar Pradesh. So I can't forget that. And when I got this opportunity to be the health minister of Uttar Pradesh, I do remember that on an everyday basis. Every night when I sleep, every morning when I get up, I said, I'm going to change that. And I'm committed to it. और कभी-कभी बहुत दुख होता है जब मैं पेपर में पढ़ता हूं कि किसी अस्पताल में कोई गया, किसी ने प्रेशर के लिए, डिलीवरी के सिस्टम के लिए किसी नर्स ने पैसे मांग लिए, किसी ने एम्बुलेंस के लिए पैसे मांग लिए, किसी को शव वाहन नहीं मिला. And it pains me. And as a health minister, you feel helpless, but I'm not a helpless person. मैं आशावादी व्यक्ति हूं, and I look for solutions. And I do believe कि ये लाइन है, मैं सिर्फ बड़ी लाइन खींचूंगा to make that line small, and I will not get involved in erasing that line, because that's waste of time for me. I must draw a bigger line. मैं जब बड़ी लाइन बना दूंगा, वो अपने आप छोटी हो जाएगी. So I have set myself on a path, and that's what I'm going to share with you. Because you're the best minds, I can't, there's no point giving statistics here. जब हमीरपुर जैसी घटना आज भी यहाँ पर उत्तर प्रदेश में जब घट रही हैं, तो उसके लिए क्या आप लोगों को स्टेटिस्टिक दो? हमारा तो लक्ष्य है कि आखिरी पैदान पे जो खड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति है, वहां तक कि मैं स्वास्थ्य सेवा लेके जाऊं. It's challenging, but it's not impossible. And I'll say why it is not impossible, because you all have spoken about it. It's been 100 days, 100 दिन ही हुए मेरे पास सरकार में आए हुए. But with my good team, we have started rolling out. It's the same team. वही स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय है जो पहले था, वही अधिकारी हैं जो पहले थे, वही डॉक्टर्स हैं जो पहले थे, वही सीएमओ जो पहले थे, वही नर्सेज हैं, आशा बहन हैं, सभी वही हैं. You can't import them or you can't change them. 25th of May को, we know that a vector-borne disease that's called Japanese encephalitis, which is going to hit us, and 38 districts के अंदर होती है वो, उत्तर प्रदेश के हजारों की संख्या में बच्चे मरते हैं, and उसका सबसे बड़ा कारण यह है कि cleanliness नहीं है, and that's the vision of the Prime Minister स्वच्छता अभियान. उन्होंने कहाँ सोचा था, कितना उसके ऊपर मजाक उड़ाया विपक्ष ने, but that man is visionary. Half of our problems can be cured because if we do take a preventive steps. Cleanliness is the right answer to it. So therefore स्वच्छता अभियान बहुत बड़ा एक prevention की तरफ अभियान है. So हम लोग ने 25 मई को to fight JE, there is an immunization program which is supported by the center. And you'll be surprised that last year the immunization was at, only strike rate was 57%. But the same set of people, they in 3 weeks have done 103% delivery of immunization, and that's the success rate that we struck upon. And that's the history in Uttar Pradesh. So I'm confident that the path that I have taken, वही लोग इसको deliver भी करेंगे. But certainly I do need support. I do need ideas. And जिस उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर 7,500 डॉक्टर्स की कमी हो, जिस उत्तर प्रदेश में 18,500 पैरामेडिकल सपोर्ट स्टाफ की कमी हो, जहां पे एक व्यवस्था बनी है कि उसका चयन लोक सेवा आयोग से करना पड़ता है, which starts a process in 2014 and still continuing in 2017, I don't think I can get doctors. So under the dynamic leadership, हमारे मुख्यमंत्री योगी जी से मैंने कुछ चीजों पे बात करी, and he encouraged me. We went to the cabinet. Walk-in interviews I have got for 1,000 doctors, 500 level 1, that's the MBBS, 500 more for the specialist. We have a huge problem कि doctors जो होते हैं वो कुछ districts में जाते नहीं हैं. किसी को कहो माऊ चले जाओ या कुशीनगर या देवरिया चले जाओ, you know those districts which are far off. Everybody prefers to be in Lucknow or Varanasi and Gorakhpur. So I decided with my team that we were going to work out and come up with a policy which is a transfer policy and promotion policy. We divided the Uttar Pradesh into 4 grades of districts, which are better off districts going into A, then B, C and D. And based on that, we decided that those who will be transferred will be linked to it. If they have served many years in A and B, then they have to go into C and D. If they have served in C and D, they get the right option to go into A. So, and that all has gone online. Unfortunately, I must admit this was a transfer and promotion policy was an industry in Uttar Pradesh. यहाँ पे व्यापार होता रहता था और कहते हैं 50 से 100 करोड़ का व्यापार इस जून के महीने में होता था क्योंकि ट्रांसफर्स किए जाते थे. I made that absolutely transparent and it is online now, and that's what we could achieve in 100 days. Transparency will be the motto of this government and my ministry. There will be no scope of anything which can be called corruption. That has to be zero in Uttar Pradesh under Yogi and certainly under Siddharthnath Singh and the Health Ministry. So those who want to venture out and come to UP, come to us, we will give you the red carpet, and that as a Health Minister, I'm assuring you. So I'm looking for all these. Because Uttar Pradesh ke andar, with all the statistics which have been thrown around, imagine that dynamics. जितने मेरे पास CSCs हैं, PSCs हैं, district hospitals हैं, they're in themselves limited. If I compare with the population, I must go up, and I must go up substantially. But then I have a shortage of doctors. So I said I will not go ahead in constructing new PSCs, CHCs and wasting the resources. I must improve जो है मेरे पास उसी को ठीक करूंगा मैं अभी। 11 करोड़ उत्तर प्रदेश की पॉपुलेशन है जो कि गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स में फुटफॉल्स है उनका 11 करोड़। सो यू नो व्हेन वी गेट इनटू द स्टैटिस्टिक्स दैट प्राइवेट के लोग 70 से 80% करते हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश इज जस्ट द रिवर्स, इट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टेट। 11 करोड़ लोग हैं जो कि सरकारी अस्पताल में आते हैं क्योंकि वी गिव देम निःशुल्क सेवाएं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। नाउ every crisis has an opportunity and that's how I take it. I'm visualizing and working on a PPP model. Many things. To an extent, even on district hospitals, we are working with World Bank and now with ADB also, how to improve that and perhaps take it into a PPP model. I'm working on that model. मेरे को तो निःशुल्क देना ही देना है, free of cost. But imagine which state is going to give you an offer, those who want to come to Uttar Pradesh. 11 करोड़ के पेशेंट्स आपको कौन देने वाला है? इतने ज्यादा फुटफॉल्स कौन दे सकता है? If you look at a reasonable rate of return and then you come to us. If you come on a reasonable rate, on volume if you work, you get a bigger market. And therefore, this is a land of opportunity who want to come and work in Uttar Pradesh even on a PPP model. We are working with the proposals and we are also working, Uttar Pradesh is being divided for our working health services into clusters. अब इतना बड़ा उत्तर प्रदेश है, 22 करोड़ का है। If I give one services to one person as an operator, then we will be in problems that I see in the ambulance services also. But if you make that into clusters and say, okay, we have 4 clusters and then divide it, I'm sure there are many operators who can come to Uttar Pradesh and they can work on it. Another thing which I am working, which I heard in last session also, वो telemedicine के बारे में काफी आप लोगों ने चर्चा करी। But my understanding, correct me, हो सकता है मैं गलत हूँ, telemedicine is more from a semi-urban to urban relationship. कहीं आपके पास एक प्राइवेट अच्छा सा अस्पताल कहीं एक, मैं कहूँगा B ग्रेड के टाउन में आ गया है, वो A ग्रेड के साथ लिंक हो जाएगा और वहां से सर्विसेज होंगे। बट माय कॉन्सेप्ट एंड माय विजन इज डिफरेंट। जो मैं सोचने लगा हूं और जिस पे मैं काम कर रहा हूं वो आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूं, और उस पे आने वाले 2-3 महीने में टेंडर भी आएगा। वी आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन इट। जब ये टेलीमेडिसिन का मुझे, आई हैपन टू बी इन आंध्र प्रदेश, क्योंकि आंध्र प्रदेश में ये बहुत चीजें हुई हैं, तो वहां पे 2 दिन रहा। आई एम politically also, I am Andhra Pradesh in charge, so I know a lot about things happening in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So I took a call and I decided that I will bring telemedicine because I cannot have so many doctors. There is a problem. I may have walk-in interviews and other things to do. So I decided and I thought about it कि जो एक गांव में जो व्यक्ति है who is in absolutely in a rural area, something like in Bundelkhand or anywhere, where there is not motorable roads are there, where any PHC or CHC the doctors are willing to go for a variety of reasons, I would say, even threat to their life. वहां का जो गांव का जो व्यक्ति है, how does he manage to get the services neither in the PSC or the CHC but on a telemedicine, and he doesn't have a smartphone? So that's where I said that telemedicine should go to him or her. So on a featured phone, and the concept came to me was very simple because being an urbanite, we have all gone through that. In the morning when I get up, I have a headache, I have a fever. वो आप सब भी वही करते होंगे कि फोन उठा के अपने डॉक्टर को फोन करते हैं और पूछते हैं, डॉक्टर साहब आज सिर में दर्द हो रहा है, बुखार है, क्या करूं? तो डॉक्टर कहता है मौसम थोड़ा बदल रहा है, थोड़ा भी देख लीजिए, एक गोली खा लीजिए, पैरासिटामोल खा लीजिए या कर लीजिए, शाम तक की बात करेंगे। द डे गोज, शाम तक की नहीं ठीक होता तो कहता है सुबह सुबह आप डॉक्टर लैब को फोन कर दीजिए, SRL को कर लीजिए, फोर्टिस को कर लीजिए, कोई ना कोई आप पे आके एंड डू दिस फ्यू टेस्ट, ब्लड टेस्ट कर लीजिए। वो ब्लड टेस्ट करता है, नेक्स्ट डे फिर जब ब्लड टेस्ट आ जाती है तो वो ईमेल के माध्यम से आपको वो रिपोर्ट भी दे देता है। नाउ जब रिपोर्ट आती है तो डॉक्टर कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर साहब मैंने वो ईमेल पे है, तो डॉक्टर अपने स्टाफ को कहता है जरा ईमेल से निकाल दो, उसको देख लेते हैं, कह देते हैं कि नहीं ठीक है, डोंट वरी, देयर इज अ जनरल वायरल व्हिच इज गोइंग ऑन, तो आप ये दवा ले लीजिएगा, और यू कम टू एंड शो टू मी, आई लाइक टू सी यू। Now that's what is available, and that's how the treatment starts for minor things in urban cities also. I said telemedicine is the right thing. Why I can't give it to my people on a featured phone? So I have divided Uttar Pradesh into 4 clusters, and from a featured phone, जो एक हमीरपुर में वो जो महिला थी जिसकी बच्ची थी, क्योंकि फोन आज हर जगह है, on a featured phone she will call to an operator or a control center which will be in that cluster. That cluster will be linked to many geographically mapped CHCs and district hospitals. We will create that mapping so they don't have to travel more than 5 to 7 kilometers. That's how we are mapping them. And they will have a kind of a telemedicine facility which will improve if they go into a district and then get connected to the main center where there will be better doctors, specialists will be available. But first point of referral जो होता है उसके लिए ये काम शुरू होएगा, and the patient will call and that same thing will be answered through a control system, and that is where electronically, since it will be call, will be registered, digitization will start happening, and we'll create a number. That number is the patient's number which can be referred anywhere in that cluster, and subsequently we'll link with the entire Uttar Pradesh, and the person will be given the prescription over phone जैसे अर्बन सेंटर में होता है, एंड वो फिर जाके आवश्यकता पड़ेगी तो उसको 108 के माध्यम से, या डॉक्टर त्रिहान ने जो बताया वो आशा के भी माध्यम से, when mobile MMUs will start. Let me share with you that in next few months I'm going to bring in 150 MMUs to Uttar Pradesh. That has already been worked out with the National Health Mission. So we're going to have 150 MMUs. So उसके माध्यम से they will get the services, whether it is PHCs, MMUs or CHCs. So this is the level we will take, and from there if they require to be addressed with the control center, with better doctors, more professionals, whether it is orthopedic, whether it is a physician or a better cardiologist, or whatever it is required, will be done from there. Since it will be digital, if the person needs to be admitted and ambulances services to be provided, will all be monitored and linked to this. Now, my biggest challenge is कि उसको कहीं डॉक्टर कहता है कि आपको सुबह ब्लड टेस्ट करवाना है. So I worked on that and rightly said, an example was given by Dr. Saab that on 14,000 feet you could do that also. आज पैथोलॉजी के छोटे छोटे यूनिट्स आ गए हैं, and they're not very costly. So I'm giving a word called telepathology that will be also linked, and डॉक्टर जब कंट्रोल सेंटर से बोलता है कि आपको टेस्ट करवाना है, So it is again, since it is digitized, it is recorded, the person will go there, and the person when he goes there will take the blood sample, वहीं से 2G लगा रहता है instrument, the report will be generated, it will come to the control center. And what I am talking is a concept which is existing. Except मैंने ये concept को, जो मेरा संकल्प पत्र है भारतीय जनता पार्टी का, कि आखिरी पैदान पे जो खड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति है वहां तक कि मैं स्वास्थ्य सेवा लेके जाऊंगा. I am working on that, and I think my team is also convinced. We have tested certain models. We have called those who would like to participate. We have called certain consultants, and now we are in the process कि हम उसके tender papers बनाना शुरू कर चुके हैं. So these are certain things which I am already working on, and I can in the end, well, only thank everybody here. कि आप सब लोग इतने, आप इस फील्ड के अंदर आप लोग बहुत सम्मानित हैं. You are more experienced than a person. I may be the health minister, that's a constitutional position that I get because I contested election, but I am no match, and I dare not do that also. That I can even think of the ideas that you all can throw. I have visualized, मैं dream करता हूँ, and I want to deliver that dream on the ground. I could be wrong what I am trying to do, but I am happy that I am still doing something. It's better not to do anything. I still feel I am doing something. I may fail, but I am not afraid of a failure, because I feel when you take the right steps, you have the right intent, you will get what you wish to get. And therefore, I once again thank you, Ashok, for this great gathering that you managed to get, and also a great opportunity to me and to my ministry to get the best minds. We have absorbed, there's a lot to absorb, what we have taken on board, and I'm sure my people, my colleagues here, वो इसको एक summarize करेंगे. Maybe from your side also somebody can summarize and give it to us. And I am working on the state health policy. And to some extent I did have a discussion with my friend and Dr. Sunil Mehra. I would like some of you who are great minds to contribute to that state health policy. I'm trying to work in next 2 months or so. I should come up. I would be happy if you all would like to contribute. I would be the person available to you with my team. Personally, I will give my time, क्योंकि आप लोग जो मुझे समझाएंगे और जो चीजें मुझे आइडियाज देंगे, वो शायद जो कह रहे थे कि 50,000 रुपए लेके भी कहीं पे चले जाएंगे, तो I don't think I'll get it from there, because you have the experience. And therefore, once again, thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद. Thank you.